Hello guys, you're most welcome in GK Gyan Hub. Today we discuss question and answers related to science. How many elements are in the periodic table? The answer is 118. Next, which planet is closest to the sun? And the answer is Mercury. Next, how many bones do we have in an ear? And the answer is 3. Next, what is the chemical element with the symbol Fe? And the answer is iron. Next, what is the smallest unit of matter? And the answer is atom. Next, what is the process by which a liquid changes into a gas? And the answer is evaporation. Thank you. If you like the videos, please subscribe the channel and like, share or comment on the video.